Developing chance with network marketing leads. Marketing is one of the main components of business, which includes tangible products and services. Naturally, there are many other parts associated with any service. No matter what a process does an organization include, marketing will consistently be a crucial part of any company. Marketing is a process which is done to promote the item after manufacturing. Multi-level marketing leads is a crucial form of marketing. And marketing is performed in numerous kinds, and there are various approaches of marketing. Some might use comprehensive marketing methods, while others might utilize the strategy of restricted marketing. Such leads are growing rapidly in the fields of marketing. There are innumerous chances standing out of individuals in relationships to this field. Young people are primarily brought into this field of network marketing leads. To talk on a large basis of the field of marketing has plenty of chances at a big business, and businesses are introducing huge quantities of cash simply for marketing functions. These leads are one of the simplest and reliable methods of marketing, and at the very same time earn a good amount of money. To put it in a simple word, it is a simple and easy way which the cash can be earned. Utilizing innovative ways in a generation of mini leads may prove to be extremely advantageous to entrepreneurs in increasing their revenues. Everyone is a lead due to the fact that he keeps on including people listed below him, and thus the chain continues. It resembles sowing seeds today and after that reaping the benefits of your seed planted over a time period or in the near future. This is considered by numerous individuals as a brilliant chance, since this system of marketing works on the easy concept of your returning increases as and when the person to whom you marketed the product markets it to the next person. It works on the mathematical instrument of ratio, which is to be maintained while marketing the item. Network marketing leads are very advantageous for any companies who are embracing these methods in a favorable ways. Another important part that makes network marketing leads as a crucial opportunist form of marketing is that leads can be acquired really easily. The burden of marketing is not felt by a single individual, however. Instead, it gets dispersed as people keep on signing up with and as they put their efforts into it. Opportunities in this leads also arise extensively as everybody has to work for himself so that he can earn more on the basis of his own marketing skills. And by working for himself, the cause of the marketing, the products, is likely achieved. Network marketing leads is an important form of marketing. Marketing is done in various types, and there are many approaches of marketing. Some may use substantial marketing strategies, while others may use the strategies of restrictive marketing. Using innovative ways in the generation of network marketing leads may show to be very beneficial to business owners in increasing their earnings. Another essential part that makes network marketing leads as an important opportunistic kind of marketing is that leads can be gotten really easily, as I have said. I hope some of this has helped you a little bit and given you ideas. If you want more ideas on making money from home, not just getting leads, but my YouTube channel has over 300 videos all about making money from home and starting home businesses and making money on the internet. The channel is YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. That's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. These are videos I've made over the last 6 months, so they're all fairly up to date. So anything that's in there is still readily available. Also, below this video, there's a like button, there's a thumbs up. Click on that and subscribe. That helps me with YouTube. If you want more videos, click on the bell at the top. Next to it, there's all. Click on all. YouTube will inform you when I put another video up. So, can I just say at this point, please, whatever you're going into, research. Research deeply. Don't just skip it, because there's a lot of cons on the internet. You get done for scams. It's not nice. You work your butt off to try and earn money, expect money to come in, and it doesn't turn up because somebody scammed you. So please do your research. Use Google. Google has thousands of pages. When you put in there what you're trying to start or what you're joining into Google, they come up with hundreds and hundreds of pages. I use YouTube myself because I like the way YouTube operates. If you put in how to first, always, how to make money online, how to start a home business, how to generate income, things like that, they come up with videos showing you how, and it's a lot easier than reading everything. So that's Google and YouTube. Research, don't get scammed. Other than that, underneath my video there are a lot of links. Now these are links of programs I joined over the years. I don't use some of them now, but a lot of them I still use, and they're all affiliated links. Also the tools I use today, they're under there as well. They're affiliated links. And if you decide to join a program or purchase a tool, I will get paid a small commission. That's the way the internet works. So please, I hope you do that, because that helps me, obviously, because that's what we're after as commissions. You don't mess about the bush. Now there's one program I use all the time and I really love it. I do. Saves me so much work, and that's called Spin Rewriter. Now Spin Rewriter is a program I was using 4 years ago when I was first starting to do websites and blogs, because with that you copy and paste anything into it and it spins it and comes up different to when it went in there, but still meaning virtually the same thing. That way you put it into your blog or your site or Facebook or anywhere you're using, you can't get done for copywriting because it's already changed it all. Now they sent me a email in the beginning of the summer offering me a lifetime membership. Now I took it up because I really like the program and it saves me so much work, even more so now because I joined the lifetime membership. I believe it was $195 or $197, and they have a place in the lifetime membership area where you put your keywords in that you want to use, and they will return you 50, yes, 50 scripts with your keywords integrated in the script, and it's telling you all about those keywords. You can use that for anything, not get done for any copywriting, because that's yours. They've done that for you. So that Spin Rewriter saves so much work of trolling all around the internet trying to find this and find that about things, and then copy and pasting it, and you've still got to spin it because you get done for copyright otherwise. So that is Spin Rewriter. I'll put a link above so you can see it. Please, please don't forget, click the like button below and subscribe. If you want more, press the bell up top and press all. Other than that, do your research. Make sure you do it properly. Don't get scammed. So I wish you all the very best in your online ventures, and I hope you do come back. This is Ian Jackson saying cheerio for now, and all the best in your internet venture.